Washington, D.C. Just days after Musk's purchase of Twitter raised worries that the social media network will no longer try to regulate false information and hate speech, Elon Musk on Sunday tweeted a link to an erroneous story about the attack on House Speaker Nancy Pelosi's husband. The Santa Monica Observer, a fringe publication that has previously claimed that Hillary Clinton died on September 11 and was replaced by a body double, published the item that was referenced in Musk's tweet, which he later deleted. In response to a tweet from Hillary Clinton, Musk said this. It was stated in her tweet that Republicans were preaching hatred and insane conspiracy theories in general and that it was shocking, but not surprising, that violence was the outcome. Musk replied to Clinton's tweet with a link to the Santa Monica Observer piece and the statement, "There is a slight probability there might be more to this tale than meets the eye." The Observer has been dubbed notorious for fake news by the Los Angeles Times, the leading news source in the Southern California region where it is based. Officers responding to a 911 call to the residence saw DePape strike Paul Pelosi at least once before the two men engaged in a scuffle over a hammer, according to police. DePape was detained on charges of burglary, elder abuse, and attempted murder. Charges will be filed by the prosecution on Monday, and his arraignment is scheduled for Tuesday. Police claim that the attack was deliberate and not accidental, although they have not made their opinion about the motive public. A day prior to the conversation between Musk and Clinton, Twitter's head of safety and integrity, Yoel Roth, declared that the company's standards regarding slurs and hateful conduct were still in effect. Front and center, Twitter's rules remain the same. Hateful behavior is not permitted here, Roth stated. However, at least one significant sponsor, General Motors, has declared that it will halt its Twitter advertising while it keeps an eye on the way the site is taking under Musk. On NBC's Meet the Press, Democratic Senator Amy Klobuchar of Minnesota said she didn't trust Musk to run Twitter. Klobuchar stated, "I think you have to have some content regulation," alluding to DePape, the assault suspect, who promoted anti-Semitic conspiracies online.